Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hlobisile M The GlowBoss. I create a lot of content that helps you become your best self, have a thriving relationship with Yahweh, as well as a thriving business. So if that sounds like something that you are currently working on, do subscribe and be part of the community and drop comments down below telling me more about your journey and your story and different questions and all that good stuff. I am so excited to hear from you. I am so excited to have you here. On this video, I am answering a question that was on the previous video about creating a website for 30 minutes. So there was a request that I should show you guys how to actually link certain features and stuff like that. You're gonna see as I actually do what my amazing subscriber asked for. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's jump straight into today's video.
As you have seen on the previous video, whereby I show you how to actually create a website on Canva. So if you have no idea how to create a website, go check out that video first. And then here, I'm just going to show you how to put the links if you want to link um, a particular button on your website. Okay, so you would go to your website as you would have hosted your website on Canva. So you find your website. As I can see, here is mine. I am looking for it. I think I just passed it. There it is. There it is. I found it. Okay. So you click your website. And then once you've clicked your website, you would go to the button where you want to insert the link. Firstly, I'm going to have to zoom a little bit just so you guys can be able to see. Where is the zoom button? Okay, there we go. I'm trying to zoom. Okay, so I have zoomed it in. So I think 50% will do. There we go. So now you would pick the button. In my case, I want to use this black button, as you can see it on your screen. So that is the black button. I'm going to show you just now. There it is. Sharp. So you click the button. And then when you click the button, three dots are going to appear at the top. Then you go to those three dots, these ones. Then you click those three dots, and then it should take you to link. There's a menu that's going to pop up. You go straight to link. I'm going to repeat again. So you would go to the button that you want to insert the link on, which is that button in my case, the black one. Whatever button that is in your website, you go to the three dots and then you scroll down after this menu pops up, and then you go straight to link, right? Then you click link, then it will allow you to insert your link. I've already copied the link, so I'm going to paste the link, and then you don't have to pay attention to all the other things that are underneath. As you can see, it says display mode. You don't have to focus on that. You focus on just inserting the link. Then you will click done once you are done. And then once the link has been inserted, you should be able to see that the link has been inserted, right? As you can tell, it said link updated. So I want to show you how it looks like if you have inserted. See, you will see that blue thing there. It should be blue. Then you should be able to see the link once you click on that button, right? Then now, we are going to go to preview. I don't know if you can see preview there at the top next to publish changes. You go to preview so that you can be able to see how your website now looks, and you can test if the link has really been inserted, right? So when the link is there, there should be an underline thing on your button showing that there's a link to that button. Then when you click the button, it takes me straight to my YouTube channel, right? I'm going to repeat again. As you can see, this is my channel. I wanted to make sure that When I click the button, it takes me to my YouTube channel. Cool. So as you can see, you click the link, or rather you click the button and it takes you straight to whatever link that you would have linked the button to. In this case, it is my YouTube channel. So it doesn't really have to be one specific button. It could be all the different buttons. If you want to insert the link in all the different buttons, you do the same process, right? Sharp. So now, once you are done with this process, you want to publish the changes, just so you make sure that everything is saved and all the links that you would have inserted, they've been inserted and you need to save them. So you will click to publish changes and then it should appear something like this. Then now you are going to click publish changes, right? There, as you can see on the screen. Then once you click publish changes, it should start saving. It will look something like this. Obviously the code is not going to be the same. I love Canva codes. So there you go. It is done. Publishing your changes. Now it means you are able to view your website and whatever link that you link you would have inserted, you should be able to see it and it should be able to work. Cool. So if you are someone who says, oh my goodness, this is a lot, I don't think I want to do it by myself, I would love for you to create a website for me, and I would love for you to do this for me, feel free. I do offer such services because I've been getting some emails where people are like, please do it for me. Da, 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 da. So to make matters easy, I didn't want to complicate the whole process. You can actually WhatsApp me on this number only if you want to work with me.
I hope this was very helpful. Thank you so much for choosing me. Thank you so much for watching up until this far. Hope this was very helpful. If you have any further questions about your Canva website and anything that you would like for me to show you, do comment down below. I'll be very excited to hear from you. I am so excited. So share your link also down below so we can see the different websites and maybe we can discuss what you can tweak there and any other question as it relates to building websites on Canva. So thank you so much for choosing me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next one. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you. Bye.